Hello students, so today we will discuss the topic maintenance that belongs to the unit 5. So let's start this. So maintenance includes error correction, enhancement of capabilities, deletion of obsolete capabilities and optimization. Means in maintenance we are correcting the errors, and if user facing any problem or user want to change anything, that we can do it. Basically maintenance performed after the delivery, means when the system has been delivered to the user or the client, that maintenance has been performed. If user is facing any problem or user want to any new feature, want to add new feature, or want to delete any obsolete feature, or want any enhancement, or facing any problem regarding the environment of the software product, then all these things that we are providing to the customer after the delivery of the software product, that comes into the maintenance part. Okay. So what are the needs of the maintenance? Why we are providing the maintenance? They are to correct the faults, to improve the design, if required it is implement enhancement, if there is any enhancement is needed, then we can provide it. Next is interface with other system, if user is facing any problem, to handle that interface. Means all the facility that we provide after the delivery, that comes into the part of the maintenance. Okay. So there are basically 4 categories here of maintenance, that is corrective maintenance, adaptive maintenance, perfective maintenance and preventive maintenance. So let's start from the very first, that is corrective maintenance. Corrective maintenance, as the name specify here, to correct, okay, yeah, exactly, to correct the fault or to remove the bugs or error. Okay. Same things we are doing in testing also. So why we are saying that this is the part of the corrective maintenance here? For testing, we test the modules or test the system and then corrects the errors or bugs. But this is done at the user environment. Okay, that's why this comes into the maintenance. So corrective maintenance of a software product may be essential either to rectify some bugs observed while the system is in use, or to enhance the performance of the system. Means the errors or bugs that has been come into the consideration when the system is in use or in a operational phase. Means now the system is in the user environment. उस टाइम पे अगर कोई errors and bugs user came to know, then we need to correct it. That is the part of the corrective maintenance. Now next, that is adaptive maintenance. Adaptive, as the name specify here also, to adapt some new feature or want to update anything. Okay, that comes into the adaptive maintenance. This include modification and updation when the customer need the product to run on the new platforms or new operating system, or when they need the product to interface with new hardware and software. Means when we talk about the adaptive maintenance, it includes the modification and updations in the current software product. So perfective maintenance here, when we are adding some new feature to make the product more perfective. When user think that this must be added, then our system must be more perfect or of good quality. Okay. So to make it more perfect, a software product needs maintenance to support the new feature that user want, or to change different type of functionalities of the system according to the customer demand. Means we are adding some new feature into this, that comes into the perfective maintenance. Next is preventive maintenance, that is used to, as from the name, to prevent from the failure or the future problem. We are doing some changes or the modification, that comes into the preventive maintenance. Basically this type of maintenance includes modification and updations to prevent future problems of the software. It goes to attend problems which are not significant of the system but may cause serious issues in the future. Means basically, like for an example, we can say that we know that in a particular program that if this particular block can generate a problem. So what we need to do, what we are doing in the programming, we put that particular block of code in a try block and then उसके एक्सेप्शन को हम थ्रो कराते हैं, बिकॉज वी नो कि इस टाइम पे जब हमारा दिस पर्टिकुलर कोड विल रन, और अगर यूज़र ने उसको डिवाइड बाई ज़ीरो एंटर कर दिया है, मीन्स डिवाइड कर ले लो, डिवाइड बाई ज़ीरो है तो ऑब्वियसली इन्फिनिटी, तो दिस कोड में फेल, तो उसको एक एक्सेप्शन थ्रो करा देते हैं. लाइकवाइज मीन्स वी नो कि इन फ्यूचर दिस टाइप ऑफ एरर में अकर, or at that time our system may fail if this particular program or this particular code will run. ठीक है, so likewise we done something in starting to prevent our system from the failure. Likewise we know there is something or this particular thing can occur problem in future, so we update, or you can say we modify the things in beginning, and so that the system will not occur any failure or not made with the serious problem or issues. ठीक है, so basically these are the 4 categories of the maintenance. This is clear to everyone. Maintenance and all these 4 types: corrective, adaptive, perfective, preventive. Okay, so corrective is for to correct the things, adaptive to adapt the new feature, and perfective to make it more perfect to the system, and preventive to prevent from the future issues or the future problem. Clear to everyone? This is all about this topic. It's